Hey peeps, welcome to NasTime Adventures. Today's video, I want to cover 5 things I like about my off-road camper trailer. Let's get into it. First item on the list is the Offroad Hitch. This is the DO35 coupling. This is the older model. The newer model has a square cap and probably a little bit easier to put on, but this has been absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend the DO35. It is no doubt one of the top rated couplings in Australia. Extremely strong, extremely versatile. It's just really easy to load up and an absolute pleasure. Now match that with your XO 750 or 500 jockey wheel and it's the best setup you're going to have on any off-road camper trailer. Now this thing has adjustments left, right and center. Goes up, down, sideways, everything locks into place so you can keep it out of place. It has the double wheels on it so you can use it on pretty much any surface. And who knows, it just might save your butt if you ever get caught out or your trailer stuck. For me, another one is the lights. These are actually rock lights designed to go underneath the trailer, helps with wheel placement and that sort of stuff. I just wanted something small. I've got one, a set of 4 on each side of the trailer, and believe it or not, for the most part that's been pretty good for me and sufficient for cooking. It also being RGB lights, I can change the color, avoid the bugs, turn on the party lights at night, and you know, have yourself a little bit of a party. So it's been really good, and if you ever did need a little bit more light for cooking, you can always just add a light up there. But for me, that's actually been pretty good. Another one is wood storage. That's a big one for me. I go on a lot of long trips, so maybe a couple of weeks at a time, to places where you can't always find wood. It can be really hard or illegal, so I always tend to carry a little bit of extra bagged wood, either bag it at home or buy it on the road, and I can fit about 9 comfortably on that, probably more, and that's been sufficient for me for you know, 1 week or 2 weeks away. And absolutely critical when you're out camping to have a campfire. Big one also is the storage. This thing comes with an absolute mega tub at the front. As you can see, holds an absolute heap. Now it's really well set up and designed, ergonomic, so it doesn't catch the wind or anything like that. Flicks the rocks back down as it should be. The stone guard hasn't always done the best job that it's had, because I haven't always had the rock tamers on. But you can see here, it's got electrical storage for the electrical, for the battery. Really handy to have, nice easy access. On the other side here, it's got pole storage. I keep my broom and spare poles in there for when I need them. And of course, a heap of storage there. And access to all my electrical system too, which is my DC to DC charger. I've also got a 240 volt charger as well for when I've got shore power. Problem with being able to carry extra gear though, is you tend to carry a lot of stuff you don't need. Another one for me is the super quick setup. Now, that's the 230 Sabre. Takes about 30 seconds to set it up. Really important for me. The quicker you can get set up and the less time you spend setting up and packing up, the more you're going to enjoy camping. So for me, really good idea to have a quality rooftop tent or quality bed that you can get in and out of quite easily. The awning, quick and easy to set up, gives you good coverage around the back and along the side. So make sure that wherever you go away and whatever you set up, make sure it's got some comfort. This thing, I've got a bed on wheels. Super comfy up top. I've just spent a couple of weeks on that mattress. I have made a couple of modifications to it. Got a couple of videos on that if you want to have a look. But super comfy bed. So there you go peeps, they're all the things I like about my camper trailer. I will be doing another video, 5 things I don't like about my camper trailer. Catch you in the next one.